It's official, we have the raddest president ever. My reasoning this time around? Well, a little Obama and Justin Bieber collab. Let's get to it, shall we? I'm your host, Chelsea Briggs, coming to you from Tinseltown, and this is the Hollywire Hot Minute. You asked for it, and now it is upon us. A new presidential mashup that includes Justin Bieber's hit single, Boyfriend. It's pretty darn amazing. Take a look.
If I was your boyfriend, I'd never let you go. I can take you places you ain't never been before. Baby, take a chance, but you'll never ever know. I got money in my hands that I'd really like to swag, swag, swag on you. Chilling by the fire while we eating fondue. I don't know about me, but I know about you. So say hello to us in 3, 2, swag.
And speaking of Bieber, of course, he recently got a new tattoo which he showed off on the David Letterman show. Now, with this being one of my favorite interview clips of the week, you have to watch as he gets scolded by the late night host. It's hilarious. Let's watch.
Honestly, how does that help? How does that help how you look to have a tattoo?
How does it not? I mean, it doesn't not help the way I look. It just expresses. Yesterday, my album came out. It was an important day for me. So, you know, I got Believe.
Get that off of there.
Hey, this is a brand new. Grandpa's.
All right, so tell me, between all the Obama mashups we've seen, we had Lady Gaga, LMFAO, Call Me Maybe, Boyfriend. Which one do you love the most? You let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And of course, subscribe to Hollywire TV and let's tweet about it. Let's tweet, it's fun. For Hollywire.com, I'm Chelsea Briggs and I'll catch you guys later. I don't have any tattoos right now, but I've always wanted one. And it just came to me recently, and I was gonna go do it last weekend, and then I kind of chickened out. And I was busy, but I really, really like arm tattoos, but like forearm and finger tattoos. Like, I think they're so cool. I'll get like Star Wars tattoos, I'm just kidding. Or like Justin Bieber's face right here. I'm like interviewing him, I'm like, hey Justin, so who are you wearing? By the way, have you seen my tattoo?